It's Jupiter back at it again with another video. Unfortunately, this area has stopped making fireworks shows, I'm pretty sure. But over here, they've recently been like shooting off fireworks. Hold on. I'm gonna go over here, because over here I get a better angle. And I don't have to worry about getting other people's houses. So the cul-de-sac's the only area doing anything at the moment. Pretty sure the people at the other side went to bed. But at the moment, I decided to do a part 2 because I find this to be very beautiful. And I want you guys to be able to experience the beauty with me. My brother pointed out that the cul-de-sac is doing a little bit more with fireworks. So we're looking at the cul-de-sac at the right instead of the neighbor's firework area on the left. I don't know how much they're going to do, so this might be like a 3-minute video. Yeah, this might be like a 3-minute video because all of their fireworks are fluky. Oh, they're trying so hard. I mean, it's still pretty though. At least they got that going for them. It might be like way down over here. There's also a few down in the other neighborhood down over there, but right now we only have this one over here. Oh! I'll give it until this video hits 6 minutes. And if I don't see a good firework from this side, I'm gonna end the video. But, today's turning out to be a pretty good year for fireworks. At least here where I am. These are really pretty fireworks. Oh, it's like way over there, it's fine. Oh my god, there's so much going on, I don't even know where to look. Woo! That's a nice one. Alright, I don't think we're gonna get any more good fireworks. Yeah, those are the only good fireworks that are coming out from over there at the moment. So, I'm gonna let you guys go. Peace out. Though in this side of the neighborhood where I'm at currently, just because 4th of July ends doesn't mean the fireworks do. So, we might get a little bit more firework videos than we anticipated for the month of July. But for right now, this is Jupiter signing off. Goodbye.